Hey, good morning. I am Mr. Bravo, reporting from the Global Affairs tonight, bringing you the most critical geopolitical developments shaping our world today. Let's dive into today's top stories. EU calls for surge in defense to fortify Ukraine. European leaders have pledged a major military and economic push to reinforce Ukraine, following a high-stakes summit in London with the President Volodymyr Zelensky, European Commissioner President Ursula von der Leyen announced a plan to turn Ukraine into a steel Prokopine. NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte confirmed increased military spending by several European nations, while British Prime Minister Keir Starmer underscores the urgency of defending Ukraine as a matter of continental security. Aimed at concerns over shifting United States foreign policy under Donald Trump, tension flared in Washington after Zelensky's contentious Oval Office meeting with Trump and Vice President J.D. Vance. Meanwhile, Secretary of the State Rubio criticized Zelensky's approach, fueling speculations over American future commitment to Ukraine. Israel halts Gaza aid pressure Hamas on a ceasefire deal. Israel has abruptly suspended all humanitarian aids and goods entering Gaza, intensifying pressure on Hamas to extend the temporary ceasefire. The move threaten to worsen condition for Gaza's 2 million residents already struggling after 15 months of war. The initial ceasefire deal, which saw the exchange of hostages and prisoners, expired Saturday. Instead of permanent truce, Israel proposed a 7-week extension contingent on Hamas releasing half of remaining living hostages. Hamas rejected the plan, calling it cheap blackmailing technique and accusing Israel of reneging on prior agreements. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu insisted no ceasefire with continue without hostages release, or warning of further consequences if Hamas refuses. Meanwhile, reports indicates Israel may resume military operations if negotiations stall. As Ramzan begins under mounting humanitarian stress, the deadlock raises fear of renewed conflict in the region. That's wrap up's top geopolitical news from today. The world is shifting and the stakes are higher than ever. What are your thoughts on these pressing issues? Let's keep the conversation going in the comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and stay informed with the Global Affairs tonight. Until next time, stay engaged and stay awake. I was Mr. Bravo. Good day and goodbye.